There is a precedent for retiring teachers for sharing ideas with students. My friend and champion English teacher, the late Angela Irvin, shared an amazing talk that you can find online if you like. One of my favorite singer-songwriters, James Taylor, sang, "The secret of life is enjoying the passage of time." Well, I am looking forward to doing that in retirement. I would like to share some other ideas as well. My name is Stan Nevola, and this is my Senior Sage. I have always been comfortable conducting many concerts on this stage over the history of this building. Today, I would come out of my comfort zone to share some thoughts as I contemplate the end of my 43-year teaching career, 41 spent here at SSA. This place is an amazing school. The teachers here love to teach and are committed to working with you. We have amazing students. You are a great student body. We have an incredible staff from Ms. Strophilus and her colleagues who keep the school running, to the custodians and crew who keep this place clean inside and out. This is a great place. As a person headed for retirement, I have learned many lessons on how to live a happy life. I'm going to share with you 4 of these rules. I hope that you could take some of these so you can live a happy life. Rule number 1, I didn't make this one up. Love the Lord your God. For those of you who believe in a merciful Lord, this is easy to comprehend. If you do not have that perspective, I hope you'll contemplate that concept. Still, you have to understand that you are not the most important being in this universe. I believe that we are all here to help each other get through this life. That's what brings so much joy to most of us and makes this place a great place to learn. Rule number 2, find something you love to do and get someone to pay you to do it. I learned that from age 16 that I love to help others learn. That was in Boy Scouts. My dad and the Lord gave me the gift of music. I had the great fortune to work with great musicians along the way. Great teachers showed me how to impart knowledge from professors at college, including one of the greatest musicians named Leonard Bernstein, to today, and teachers like Mr. Green and Ms. Whitney. These people inspired me to love what I do. And I hope that you were able to find something that you love to do. How much they pay you is inconsequential. Really doesn't matter how much you make. You'll always want to make more. The goal is to love what you do and have fun. That way, you'll always go to play, not to work. Rule number 3, find someone you could spend the rest of your life with. If you can find a partner whom you trust, someone who trusts you, that makes life much happier. My partner is my wife of 42 years. She's here. Will you give her a hand? While that partner does not need to be a spouse, it is important to have a good friend whom you can count on to be there. And of course, you can be there for them. This last one came to me more recently. Rule number 4, do not pass up a chance to pee. You don't know when the next one will be. Maybe this is only for us old folks who are always looking for a bathroom, but if you have been trapped in a traffic jam after downing 24 ounces of water or coffee, you know what I'm talking about. Those are my 4 rules. However, I have one more thing to share. While I've loved most of my experiences here at SSA, I have really loved these days. Billy Joel, another singer-songwriter from my youth, wrote a song about this idea. With some help from some other seniors, I would like to share it with you, but dedicate it to the class of 2023. We are about to graduate. I'm used to conducting, so now I'm really jumping out of my comfort zone. Ponder the metaphors that Mr. Joel wrote.